Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Spotify Premium. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Spotify. Click on Spotify. So once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on the gear icon in the top right. Okay, and here you can see the option of Groco Premium. So let me click on that. And here you can see that this is an option to join premium, but once you scroll down you can easily see an option here to cancel premium because I do not have the premium, and you can see option to cancel. Once you click on that, your premium will be cancelled for Spotify. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.